Sparrows are important birds for several reasons, both ecologically and culturally. For pest control, sparrows, particularly when feeding their young, consume a significant amount of insects, including common pests like aphids and caterpillars, which control insect populations in gardens and agricultural areas. For seed dispersal, as part of their diet consists of seeds and grains, sparrows inadvertently help to disperse plant seeds through their droppings, contributing to plant growth and diversity in plant life. For food source, they serve as a vital source for various predators, including hawks, owls, domestic cats, playing a role in the natural food web. Bioindicators, due to their close association with human habitats, house sparrows are often used as bioindicators. Changes in their population, health, and reproductive success can signal in the local environment, health, and ecosystem. Sparrows are well known for their ability to thrive in diverse environments, especially in close proximity to human activity, cities, towns, and farms, which makes them one of the most widespread bird species. In many cultures, sparrows are symbols of qualities like resilience, joy and simplicity, community and hope. Their abundance and close relationship with humans has made them an excellent model organism for thousands of studies across various biological fields, including urban ecology, genetics, and behavior. I love feeding the sparrows in my garden, and the sounds of the birds all around, which makes sparrows one of the most important birds to me. And I hope that you like my video about sparrows and why they are important to our gardens. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll try and keep on making good videos for you. So thanks a lot, and I hope to see you again. Bye.